I'm gonna be honest with you, I want to love this powder so much. So as you can see, I didn't open this package in advance just because I wanted to do it in the same time with you guys. So let's do it. It always looks flawless, right? Oh my god, guys, I think I have powder puffs for the entire life. Oh, some of them are super cute. The powder is available in 8 shades. This is how the packaging looks like. The powder was made in Italy, which is promising a lot. It comes with a mirror, which is always super handy to have. And inside, underneath the powder, there is a small applicator. This is Cherry Blossom Cake. This is Cupcake. The loose powder has light coverage, whilst the pressed powder should give you a medium coverage. The loose powder is perfect if you want to set and if you also love to bake, whilst the pressed powder gives you instant targeted breathing. And lastly, the loose powder is fragranced, whilst the pressed powder is fragrance free. I'm absolutely convinced so many of us will love this, because sadly it's so hard when you love so much a product but you can't use it because it contains fragrance and you have sensitive eyes, sensitive skin. And what I want to try is to apply it 2 different ways. On one side, I'm gonna bake using the loose powder. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't take way too much product, and I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes and making sure that the concealer didn't crease before I apply it. Hopefully you can see it well enough on the camera with powder on and without powder on. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the pressed powder and I'm gonna use the applicator. Let's apply it now. As you can see, it adds loads of luminosity underneath the eyes, and this side it looks like it's a little bit snatched. I also love so much that it doesn't emphasize my large pores, but I think it's because I've used the loose powder first. So let's apply only the pressed one. Let's see the difference. You can definitely see that the right side is much more brightened than the left side. One more thing I want to try is to apply it on my large pores, just because I want to see if it blurs my large pores the same way as the loose powder does. I'm not sure how well you can see this on the camera. When I look in the mirror, I definitely can see the difference. It does not blur the pores in the same way as the loose powder does, but still I'm not mad at it. It looks really nice. Personally, I believe that this one is just perfect to have it on the go. I definitely love both of them. Let me know your thoughts.